looks at the labour of others in relation to artwork. I did a project with the technician here, Howard, and through a series of contracts and research, I got him to respond to a few boxes that I collected. So they were normal everyday boxes, like toothpaste boxes, chocolate boxes, and I simply just said I want a response. And his responses were the boxes that are in the space. So my work looks a lot of interaction, and that's why these posters behind, they have had people write on them and interact with them, respond to them, because I'm interested in breaking down the kind of barrier between art and the viewer or the audience. So yeah, that's kind of what my installation looks at.